Hello, my name is Martin, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how to register on GHM Academy for free. You simply go to ghmacademy.com, you put that in your browser. So this is the main page of GHM where you're going to be signing in. Now, right here, you have the sign up button for free. So you simply click on it, and what it does, it opens up another browser, and you will have two choices. The first choice is I am a student with a classroom code. This is specifically for students that want to join a classroom that already exists. In other words, a teacher or a parent has created a classroom and they have given the student a classroom code where they will be able to log in. The one that we want to learn about today is specifically for parents and for teachers to be able to create their own classroom. So if you click on the blue one, which it says sign up with an email address, and here you will see that you need to have an email address that works because we will be sending you an email to verify it. You put in your first name, your last name, you create a password. The password must have 8 characters, and they could be letters or they can be numbers, but please no special characters because the system doesn't like the special characters. Then you finally just press on the I am not a robot, you follow the instructions, and then you will press on create a free account. Once you press on that free account, what it will do is it will send you an email that you need to confirm. Once you confirm that email, it will bring you back into GHM Academy where you will be able to browse all the free things available in the GHM store. And from there, you'll be able to look at things and even create your own classroom. Now, if that doesn't work and you want to make sure that you send it to the right email, on the top right corner, once you've pressed on create a free account, you will see a button where it says my profile. You press on that, and then from there, it will bring you to another window that will open up and will show you which email address you sent it to. If it's the wrong one, simply change it and then press save, and the system will automatically send you a new email at that proper email address. If you receive it, then press on confirm, and then it will bring you to GHM Academy. Now, if you do have the right email address and you did not receive it, then what I suggest is that you go to the main page that we were on before, simply go all the way to the bottom and press on contact, and there you will find the information how to contact someone to help you. Either you can fill the online form, or you can always give us a call at 1-877-676-3382, or you can write to us at GHMsales with an S at mpoeduc.com. I hope you found this quick video helpful on how to register, and please watch the other videos that will teach you how to use GHM even further, and hopefully you enjoy yourself. So have a good time on GHM. Take care.